Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a beauty box to share with you that keeps on going out of stock, but it's currently in stock, so I'm going to be posting this video regardless. It's one of the new Boots beauty boxes, and this is Viral Icons. It contains 10 beauty products, has a value of £55 and can be bought for £20. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. Plus, Boots have quite a few different beauty boxes available on their website, so I'll add a link to the actual page, so if you're interested in taking a look at any of the others, then you'll find them all under that link. They're all a bit muddled up in there. Let's start off with a Boots own brand product, and this is from the ingredients range. It's a deep moisture spray. It's a deeply hydrating moisture spray that is gentle on the skin, providing lasting hydration, and there's 150 mils there. Great for post-workout for a quick hit of moisture, soothes the skin and rehydrates the skin. So you've got a moisturising spray there. It's very fine mist. That's what it feels like. I wouldn't say it's deeply hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft, is what I would imagine it would do. Now that it's dried a bit, yeah, it does feel a bit nicer on the skin. I have got really dry hands actually, so I'll probably need this, don't I? Woo! Let's see what that's like as the video goes on. I love moisturising sprays though, just quick and easy to use, especially on my legs. Alright, what else have we got? We've got Glycerin and Rosewater, and this is toning and moisturising, traditional skincare. It's just clicked, I'm so sorry. All of the products that are in this box are Boots own branded products. So this is from the traditional skincare range. I haven't seen this. Glycerin and Rosewater, so it's like a toner. So it's toning and moisturising for your skin. There's 200 mils there. Boots Traditional Glycerin and Rosewater is a cooling, refreshing beautifier that softens and moisturises the skin. I just want to smell. I just want to see if it smells really strong rose. Yeah, it does. I don't like that. I'm not a fan of the scent of rose, but for skincare I'd use it, and Rosewater is supposed to be amazing for the skin. Yeah, Glycerin and Rosewater. So we've got a soothing toner. We've got, from the ingredients range again, this is Retinol Eye Cream. Containing retinol, a form of vitamin A, this eye cream helps skin feel more elastic. Skin looks brighter, reduces appearance of fine lines, and is lightweight. And there is 15 mils there. So it's an eye cream to be used in the evening. And you only need a tiny, tiny bit, don't you? So when we get like 15 mil, even 10 mil, like eye creams, they just last for months and months and months, which is always good value for money. We've got, this is from the Modern Chemistry range, Vitamin C, Ferulic acid. It's a serum. This lightweight feeling serum helps to even the look of skin tone and boost the appearance of skin's luminosity. And there is 30 mils there. I love the design. It's a lightweight serum which contains antioxidants, boosting the appearance of skin's luminosity. Dark spots and pigmentations appear improved and skin looks firmer. And formulated with 10% vitamin C and 0.5% ferulic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant. So yeah, I've never used anything from this brand, from this range. Obviously it's from Boots, but they do many different ranges, don't they? So there's that. Next, we've got a Sunny Shield SPF 40 with lanolin and vitamin E. This is from the Habi range of Boots. When I first saw this, I thought it was a new Korean beauty brand, but it's not. But they are taking influence, aren't they? I love the packaging. Yeah. There's 50 mils there. So anything in particular about this? Leaves no white cast, always good. The Sunny Shield is your first line of defence against the sun, helping leave skin clear, absorbing any oils to avoid any uninvited breakouts, and it's suitable for all skin types. So yes, we've got an SPF 40, I like that, 40 is a good one. Then I've got an Aqua Hydrating Cleanser, gentle and hydrating for a healthy glow, suitable for sensitive skins, and there is 200 mils there. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, which enables the protection of the skin barrier and enhances hydration. A lightweight and fast foaming gel that will activate with water to rinse away dirt. We've got a hydrating cleanser. We got a moisturiser, I think. No, cleansing balm. It's collagen treatments. Youth activating cleansing balm. Easily removes makeup. Suitable for all skin types. And there's 15 grams there. This balm transforms from a velvety balm into a cleansing milk as it melts into the skin. It's formulated to effortlessly remove makeup and impurities, leaving your skin supple, glowing and refreshed after use. So yeah, I've yet to try any of these products. I love a cleansing balm, and this size is always handy to take away with me if I go anywhere for the night or somewhere. It's got a cleansing balm. Oh, we got some pads. We've got everyday fragrance-free eye makeup remover pads. Handy, quick and easy. Yeah, I like these as well. I haven't used these in a long while. They're just quick and easy, especially if you've gone out for a night and you've had a few to drink. To grab one of these and do it all over your eyes. Travel handy sort of size as well. I'm sniffing. It's fragrance free and it's suitable for sensitive skin. That's going to go in my little minis bag for wherever I go away next. Then we've got Coconut Glossy Lip Balm. Moisturises dry lips to create long-lasting hydration. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, these are so hard to squeeze up. Oh my gosh. It's so hard to squeeze up. There. Oh, it smells nice. It smells of sweet coconut. I really like that. You can't see it. It's a little bit glossy on my hat. It's just a shame that it's always like hard work to get the balm out of these type of lip balms, isn't it? There's that, and I think the last item is a lip mask. So we haven't got a moisturiser then. That is really unusual, isn't it, for a skincare box? I would have thought there would have been a moisturiser in here. But there's not. But we've got a lip mask anyway, and this is a vanilla lip sleep mask. Nourishes and hydrates overnight. Very cute. So you've got a glossy lip balm for the day and an overnight sleep mask. And I'm wrecking the packaging. Oh, I love this. Comes with a little spatula there, just like the Laneige ones, which I'm obsessed with. They've just released a new one, Blue Lemonade. You'll see that come in a video in a couple of days' time. Very cute. Oh, it smells so nice. It's gorgeous. It's like a cocoa butter type vanilla. Oh, that's so lovely. Yeah, I'm obsessed with sleep masks. Put it back in its pouch and there you go. Those are all the products in the Viral Icons beauty box from Boots. They're all Boots branded products. There's 10 products in total. You can see there. Oh, they're all falling. And it has a value of £55 and can be bought for £20. I think it's a really good value box. You've got a bit of everything in there. I would have liked to have seen a moisturiser though, as I've already mentioned. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm not sure about this though. The spray, it feels all right on my hand. Doesn't feel as if it's as nice as the one I absolutely love, which is Curel. I love that spray. You instantly feel the benefits straight away. But it has left my skin soft. It's not bad. It's just initially, you know. But anyway, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. So what do you think of this box? Did you go out and buy it yourself? Or now that it's come back in stock again, are you going to go and get one, or you're not going to bother? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.